Hello, I am here with Kevin Quinn, who is a supervising attorney at the Center for Elder Law and Justice. Hi, Kevin. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. Thanks.
Awesome. Welcome to Backstage at the Public Good.
Thanks for having me.
All right, thank you. So the first Backstage question I have is, what is the Center for Elder Law and Justice?
The Center for Elder Law and Justice is a civil legal services agency. We've been open since 1978. Many folks may know us or remember us as our agency was called Legal Services for the Elderly, Disabled, or Disadvantaged. We have a new name, but our mission is basically the same. We provide free civil legal services to folks over 60 in Western New York. We serve 8 different counties, wide variety of topics that we can represent folks in, from healthcare advocacy to consumer matters, to housing, to substitute decision making, which essentially is assisting folks with healthcare proxies, powers of attorneys, things of that nature. So it really is a wide range, yes.
For sure. Wow, that's a lot of services. So can you give us kind of an example, maybe a type of case that you've seen where someone has a relative, they have someone older and they want, they need a service? Like what kind of specific things do you work on?
Sure. So I work in our housing unit,
Okay.
so we get a lot of calls from folks who are experiencing difficulties with their landlord. Maybe they're facing eviction. Maybe they have some concerns over repairs that aren't being made by their landlord or a rent dispute. We handle a wide range of landlord-tenant matters, but we focus on representing the tenants only. We represent folks in Buffalo City Housing Court, so homeowners who have code violations that they've been cited by the City of Buffalo building inspectors. We can represent them in court and try to get them the time they need, link them up with the services they need to get their homes repaired and eventually out of housing court.
Excellent, that's great.
And the piece that I'm working on is our foreclosure unit. And so we represent folks throughout Erie and Niagara counties who are facing property tax foreclosures. We also represent homeowners who are dealing with mortgage foreclosures as well.
Okay, excellent. That sounds great. If folks want to get in touch with the center, if they have any of those issues?
Sure. Folks can always give us a call. Our phone number is 853-3087. Again, 853-3087. Our office is located at 438 Main Street in downtown Buffalo. We're right on the corner of Main and Court, and we're on the 12th floor. Folks can always drop by if they'd like, but it's probably best to give us a call because you never know if the attorney or the paralegal you want to speak with is in the office. So 853-3087 is the best way to reach us.
Okay, awesome. And then Kevin, I have one more question here backstage. What do you think the city can do to help people with these kind of repeating issues with housing?
Sure. So the City of Buffalo, their tax foreclosure auction is typically every October. And during that month, homeowners can negotiate or have an attorney negotiate for them on working out a payment plan with the City of Buffalo Law Department. By that time, the City of Buffalo has imposed a lot of penalties, interest on the balance that's owing, and it becomes almost insurmountable at that point when you get to every October to try and either get paid in full or work out an affordable payment plan can still be very difficult. So I think one way that we could try to alleviate all that stress in 1 month and those large balances that folks have to try to remedy would be to allow them to work with, whether it be the water department, user fee, the city tax, or sewer rent, throughout the year in trying to get caught up on their taxes. So if folks maybe fall behind on one bill, if they can work out a payment plan right away in order to avoid interest accruing on those bills, foreclosure fees imposed by the City of Buffalo, I think they'd have a better likelihood of getting caught up.
Okay, wonderful. That's great. So thank you very much, Kevin Quinn, for your work, trying to get folks caught up for the Center of Elder Law and Justice. Thanks, Kevin.
Thanks.
Great.